Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials: flashlight for dark panels, keycard for locked console, USB for payloads. Once done, open the in-game terminal and escalate to a root or sudo shell so commands run without permission errors. You will read available files, focusing on README, logs, and a hex dump. Make sure to export any config before editing. That prevents accidental overwrites and preserves clues. This immediate start saves time and surfaces. The first puzzle tokens you will turn into actionable leads. Now you decode. Convert the hex dump to ASCII and scan for markers like timestamps, GUID, or embedded IPs that hint at the next node. Run checksums to detect tampered files and compare results to the saved code you noted earlier. Mismatches point to hidden payloads. If permissions block progress, mount the virtual drive or bind mount the directory so you can read protected files. Keep a log of commands and outputs, because repeated patterns reveal the correct parsing and avoid repeating dead ends. You're closing in. Craft and execute the small script that patches the service or feeds the decoded key into the lock routine. Watch the output format closely. Flags may be explicit or embedded in logs, so validate with a checksum or expected keystring. Once the door unlocks, document the sequence for chapter replay. If nothing happens, restart the terminal session, replay the last 3 commands step by step, and check for transient race conditions or timing issues that often break scripted interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.